Hey folks, it's Dr. Sam, and I'm in southern Utah on a really fabulous hike today. I wanted to share some exciting breakthrough research in the area of attention deficit disorder and schizophrenia. And this is related to a study that was done on animals in the brain, which showed that people who have a poor connection between the prefrontal cortex and the hippocampus have a higher risk of developing attention deficit disorder and schizophrenia. Now, in this study, researchers talk about something called top-down attention, which means that the front of the brain, the prefrontal cortex, is responsible for our focusing and our follow-through in terms of detailed tasks. And this particular part of the brain needs to work synchronistically with the hippocampus, which is responsible for our memory. Now, in this study, researchers found when there was a genetic mutation, there was a lack of communication between the prefrontal cortex and the hippocampus. There was also a reduction in this neurotransmitter called butyric acid. Now, where butyric acid is something you want to consider is I've talked about in other videos on something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This is a protein in the brain, and it has been shown that when you increase BDNF, you can actually increase the size of the hippocampus and increase brain function. You can also have ocular regeneration in the eyes. So where can you get BDNF? Well, this natural sunlight that I'm in, 30 minutes of aerobic exercise, more fats in your diet, reducing your stress level, getting better sleep, eating a lot of foods that have antioxidants in it. So in terms of this brain study, if we can bridge our prefrontal cortex with our hippocampus, we may be able to reduce some of the symptoms of attention deficit disorder and schizophrenia. So the brain is our traffic director here, and I really loved seeing the results of this study. Well, that's my message for today, and until next time, take good care.